My video is about removing fake human verification alerts that are related to the site byronduronline.com. byronduronline.com is a malicious site displaying fake human verification alerts. These fake alerts try to make users click on this allow button, supposedly to help them prove that they are humans and not robots. But it is certainly a mistake to click on this allow button, because this would hijack the browser immediately with many advertisements that are really excessive and very annoying. To stop these ads, access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now in Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, we recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.